All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about how to delete a workspace. Now, in the previous lecture, I created a beautiful workspace. I'm going to click on Create New here, and we're going to do 09 Delete Workspace, or Delete My Beautiful Workspace. We'll just call it Delete Workspace. So what I'm going to do is you can see that we still have my beautiful video workspace in there. However, let's say for some reason you don't like my workspace, which is very possible. It hurts my feelings, but it's okay. I'm only kidding. So if I go to Workspace, we have to have video checked. We're going to click on Delete Workspace. And then it's going to ask you which workspace do you want to delete. So video is active, so actually we can't even delete it because it's active. So what I can do, it won't even let me delete all custom workspaces. So let's hit Cancel. And what I'm going to do is go to Workspace and go to Essentials. Then I'm going to go to Window and Workspace and click on Delete Workspace. And we're going to select all custom workspaces, or you can just select video. We'll hit Delete. It's going to ask you, do you really want to delete the workspace video? Yes, I do. So now it's been deleted. So if I go to Window and Workspace, now it's not there. So you can tell we've deleted my beautiful workspace. I'm very sad, but I'll survive. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.